What's up, YouTube? SalvoG here. Welcome back to another reaction video. Today we're going to listen to Learn to Fly from the Foo Fighters. This is from a VIP over on Patreon, longtime supporter of the channel. Sarah, thank you so much for the continuous support and suggesting a new song, Learn to Fly. Now, Foo Fighters for me goes into the category of probably have heard / can't recognize / wouldn't be able to pinpoint a song or the voice, basically, because like I hear that I've heard this like 1,000 jillion times over the last decade and a half or however long it's been. 1994. You know, I probably heard them in middle school, I'm assuming. Probably heard them in my teen years. I just don't know, okay? I don't know. I'm here now. I'm gonna listen. Alright, so the song is called Learn to Fly from the album There's Nothing Left to Lose. What album is this? Third studio album. Dave says here, this album was totally based on melody and that it might be his favorite album that they've ever done. This won the Grammy Award for Best Rock Album in 2001, marking the band's first ever Grammy win. The band would go on to win the Grammy for Best Rock Album for 3 of their next 4 studio releases. That's a little insane. 3 of the next 4, they won Grammy for Best Rock Album. That seems nuts. That seems insane. So they've been active since 94, alternative rock, post-grunge, hard rock, and grunge. How many albums do they have? Just curious, double check that real quick. Not as many as I anticipated, I'll be honest, but they did have one in 2023. Has anybody heard that? Is it good? Learn to Fly. All right, so this is alternative rock and power pop. Okay, I'm interested to see what kind of voice Dave has, because like I said, I don't recall or remember. I don't remember if it's like, you know, a softer melodic thing going on or like a harder raspy. I don't remember. But this is the lead single from this album. It was the band's first song to enter the Billboard Hot 100, as well as their second highest charting song on the Hot 100, peaking at 19. Also did well in a bunch of other countries as well. Music video, best short form video at the Grammys. This was originally released as a promo single. It was officially released as a 2-disc CD set in UK and Australia, as well as Europe, and promotional singles were also released in other countries such as the US for radio play. It was the band's first appearance on the Hot 100, like I said not too long ago. Okay, I think I am ready. All right, before we get into this, guys, gotta mention my new channel. Head over to this one in the description, Movies, if you like movie reactions. We just did Taxi Driver, we got Forrest Gump and Little Shop of Horrors, and on Monday we're gonna have Twister. So head on over there, help me get to 1,000 subscribers. I would appreciate that. Without further ado, Learn to Fly. Pretty soft.
Hook me up a new revolution. This one is alive.
What the heck is going on?
Sat around laughing and watch the last one die. Now I'm looking to the sky to take me. Looking for a satellite. Looking for something to help me burn out bright. I'm looking for complication. Looking 'cause I'm tired of life. Make my way back home and learn to fly.
Okay. What did that say?
Think I'm done nursing patience. It can wait one night. Give it all Run and tell the angels that everything's alright. I'm looking to the sky, save me. Looking for a sign of light. Looking for something to help me burn out bright. I'm looking for a complication. Looking 'cause I'm tired of trying. Make my way back home and learn to fly high. Make my way back home and learn to fly. Along with me, I can't quite make it love.
Oh.
Back home and learn to fly. Along with me, I can't quite make it love. Try to make this life my own. Fly with me, I can't quite make it love. Try to make this life my own. I'm looking to the sky to save me. Looking for a sign of light.
Okay.
Looking for something to help me burn out bright. I'm looking for complication. Looking 'cause I'm tired of trying. Make my way back home and learn to. Looking to the sky to save me. Looking for a sign of light. Looking for something to help me burn out bright. I'm looking for complication. Looking 'cause I'm tired of trying. Make my way back home and learn to fly. Make my way back home and learn to fly. Make my way back home and learn to.
Oh, I'm digging it.
Take a little spot there.
Why do I feel like he fits literally all of those characters so well? Like, what? Yeah, the video like glitched. I don't know if it like coincided with like the bump in the turbulence that they were having. Maybe that could have been an artistic decision there in the video. I'm not sure. Whoa, so catchy and full of energy. Just to give you guys a reference, like I just worked 10.5 hours. That's actually on the lower end for me. I'm tired, but damn, that made me feel good. Power pop. It sure was. And remember here, hold on. Totally based on melody. Okay. Wow, he's got a really splendid voice, by the way. I wasn't sure if it was going to be like I said, gritty or like raspy. It just sounds like smooth and pretty vulnerable, to be honest. So now I'm wondering how many other songs from Foo Fighters that I would probably really like. Such a cool concept, by the way. The song, the lyrics, the video all correlates really cleverly. That was just a good experience. So I enjoyed it very, very much. Thank you to Sarah. Fun one. I'm just interested now. I am very interested. Here's another one up here. Walk. Looks like he's perhaps in character once again. Is this a common theme? You guys let me know. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you are new, make sure you subscribe to this channel, guys. Really hoping to reach 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We'll see. That'd be cool. Anyways, catch you guys soon. Peace.